Good morning all. Today I would like to share some words about our Zoom class group members. First of all, I would like to extend my heartful gratitude our trainer Rao sir. His dedication and different way of teaching style is better in our teaching journey. Thank you sir for your great learning. Then start our topic. I am very grateful to be a part of this wonderful Zoom class community. Once again, thank you all. All members are well and presented, especially some of members are very well to speak English. Razia ma'am, Sujida ma'am, Fauzia ma'am, Rashida ma'am and Lada ma'am. Then I don't know all members name. Sajina and Ashdi Nazria me also improved very well. Razia ma'am and Sujida ma'am speaking time I'm thinking was thinking how can I speak like that and I am very impressed how confidently you both speaking. In this Zoom I learned a lot of all members can speak English very well and me also speak okay, and so I don't want to extend my words. I wish everyone all the best and improving their English speaking ability. I will be praying for all success. Thank you.